Welcome in One Group 7 Love. How are you doing? Where are my Group 7 people? Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening, good afternoon, good night, good morning. Welcome back to Group 7. One Group 7 Love. We are here. So how are you tonight? Let me know what are going on tonight, everyone. What is going on? What is going on tonight? What is going on tonight, everyone? One Group 7 Love with you. And guys, I am out here inside of this is my little shed, guys. This is my shed. Nothing fancy out here tonight. But all I am saying, I am back. And good night, everyone. Welcome in to One Group 7 Love. We are here. We are here. One more again. So, how everyone doing tonight? How you feeling tonight? Are you watching TV, watching TikTok? What going on tonight, guys? This is the One Group 7 Love chat. So come in and chat. Let us chat. I am building a community with One Group 7 Love. So this is all about love, nature, and positivity. So welcome on in and enjoy the channel and all our vibes. That's what I am doing here. I appreciate you guys, so I am talking to you guys. So what's up? What's up, everyone? How you doing? Let me know how you doing in the chat. Drop a comment. How are you tonight? One Group 7 Love. Just here with the voice. The face will come later. Yes, the face will come later. You never know when the face may reveal. So if you want to see the face, you keep come to the live. And the face will pop up one day. One day the face will pop up. So yes, guys. Welcome on in. One Group 7 Love. Love you. All about love. Nature. Welcome in. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Nothing fancy around here. So enjoy the voice, guys. Enjoy the voice. Let me know what you think about the voice. It's all about One Group 7 Love. Love you. So come into this community, guys. This is the community. This is One Group 7 Love. One Group 7 Love. Everyone, good night. Good evening, wherever you are, guys. All I'm saying tonight is good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. But welcome on in to the One Group 7 Love. Yes. One Group 7 Love, guys. One Group 7 Love. So let us spread it. Let us spread the love with One Group 7 Love. All about love, guys. We need that. Love and positivity. That's what we're talking about. No matter what you're going through. Love and positivity. Yes. Love and positivity. One Group 7 Love. So welcome on in. Enjoy. And that's what we're doing tonight. It's all about positivity, love, and nature. And enjoy the vice. So if you like the vice, yes, yes. Hip hip, yes, alright. This is what's going on tonight, guys. I am here to tell you good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Because so many people around the world watch TikTok. Some places in the morning right now, some places in the evening. Depends on where you are. So I want to tell everyone out there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, also good night. So no one get left out. No one. No one. So everyone, welcome. Welcome on in. Welcome on in to One Group 7 Love. Welcome on in, everyone. Big C, welcome on in. Welcome on in, guys. Yes, this is One Group 7 Love loves you. Everybody talking about Group 7. Everybody love Group 7. So One Group 7, yes, One Group 7. Yes, guys, this is One Group 7. So come on in, enjoy the vice. And I said the face will come on soon, but you just never know when the face gonna show up. So enjoy the vice, and then you will get to see the face. Yeah. Just enjoy the vice, and you will get to see the face. So come on in, guys. I am not gonna be up here for too long. I am gonna be here for maybe the next 30 minutes, because you know what, guys? I gonna tell you the honest truth. I am outside, and I am in my shed. And it's pretty cold, because you know what? I do not have a heater out here. But you know what? I am out here to tell you guys good evening, good afternoon, and good night. So welcome on in, guys. Welcome on and enjoy the vice. Yes. So that's why I'm not gonna be out here too long. I just start back my live again, because of you know. So guys, I appreciate you guys for coming in. I appreciate you guys for listening. So welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. One Group 7 Love. So guys, let's say One Group 7 Love again. One Group 7 Love again. Yes, guys, I'm the one who sing One Group 7 Love. You ever hear that song? One Group 7 Love again, guys. One Group 7 Love. Come on in. One Group 7 Love. I am here, guys. One Group 7. One Group 7 Love. So, guys, listen up, listen up. I heard a little thing, guys, going on with cell phone. So, I actually listen it, and I hear it, and I do it. So one night, this is a story about my cell phone, guys. My cell phone. Listen. I end up sleeping with my cell phone. And while I was sleeping, I heard something talking. Said, watch him sleep, watch him sleep. So I thought it was the TV, the television, guys. I thought it was the television, you know, the TV, yes. And, you know, I'm still there, and I heard something, watch him sleep, watch him sleep. Oh, now he's snoring, now he's snoring. And I like, no, this kind of sound kind of different. So I said, what really going on here? But guys, get to think about it. The cell phone was watching me sleep, guys. The cell phone was watching me sleep. So somebody on that cell phone was watching me sleep, and then talking to the next person who watching me, watching them. And you know what, guys? Since from that, don't sleep with the phone again. So when time for go sleep, put up the phone put up the phone, guys. Put up the cell phone, because when you are asleep, the phone a watch. Yes, guys. I experience it. When I am sleeping, the phone watching. And I don't feel comfortable while I'm sleeping, my phone watching me. Because I am the one should be watching my phone. And since I am the one should be watching my phone, I don't know why the phone start to watch me. And another thing, guys, I turn off the cell phone. I turn it off. And for some reason, the cell phone turned back itself on. Turned back itself on. I could not believe it. I could not believe what's going on. Because at first did I turn this phone off? Yes, I did turn the phone off. But the phone turned itself back on. So I don't know what happened, guys. For some reason, the phone actually come out of the phone, then go back in the phone, and then turn on the phone. So yes, so when you go to sleep, guys, don't sleep with the phone. Leave the phone alone. Yes, leave the phone. Because I try to sleep and the phone start to watch. Then the phone start to talk behind my back. You believe that?